How to stream movies on Stremio. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to Click Command. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can stream movies in Stremio. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So Stremio offers you seamless entertainment experience. That is, you can stream your web series, your movies, everything in a single place. So you can head over to Stremio's website. It's Stremio, Stremio.com. And after you head over to their website, you will see this page right here. Now, as you can see, Stremio offers you a wide range of movies and series that you can watch, and it's also available in your mobile phone. So you can download it on your mobile device, and you can simply start, watching your movies. So right here, as you can see, it's available in all of your devices. That is Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, and more. So yeah, just download it. And here you can download it on your Windows as well. After you download this, you can then actually open it up. And this is what it should look like. So this is what Streamio looks like. And after you download it, you will need to log in into your account. So as you can see, I'm logged in into my account. And after you log in into your account, you can then actually just play around here. You can just check out its settings. You can head over to your settings. There you can see, you can set up your subtitles and stuff. You can head over to streaming. There you can see your cache, your caching drive, your HTML, HTTPS, and stuff like that. So as you can see, you can also see your shortcuts and more. So yeah, this is the basic Streamio, guys. Now you can also add your add-ons. You can see your official add-ons and your community add-ons and the add-ons that you have in your device. So yeah, now you can head over to your homepage and start streaming. You can see there are a lot of different options available. You can start streaming right here. And yeah, that's basically how you stream on Streamio. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to Click Command, and bye bye. Take care.